Many people in this world need financial help, but not all of them have the same financial issues. Therefore, it's up to you to determine what type of help you need to give or receive. Most people already know that if we give money to drug addicts, they will most likely buy more drugs. So, giving financial help or giving money away is not always the answer. Giving money to drug addicts or any addicts will just enable them to continue their destructive behaviors. Offering to help pay for rehab could make a difference. However, whatever you do to help, just make sure that you don't hurt yourself in the process. Because unable for you to take care of anyone else, you have to be able to take care of yourself first. What about your kids who have zero credit scores but are close to leaving your nest egg? What can you do for them that could help boost their credit? Assuming that you have a stunning credit score, one thing you can do is to add them as authorized users to your credit card. And there's no need to give them a card. By simply adding them to your account will boost their credit scores. What about those who are struggling to make ends meet? Well, it depends on the situation. If their circumstances were based on unforeseen conditions like someone getting sick or a disaster comes along that wipes away their means of living, then monetary assistance, food, and shelter might be the best thing to give them until they get back on their feet. However, if the financial struggles are due to lack of financial discipline, like spending more than what they can afford, for example, buying a vehicle that's worth more than half of their take-home pay, or buying a house that's eating away majority of their income, or those people who can't afford to buy food but spend unlimited amounts on luxury items, they don't need more money. Behavioral discipline and financial planning are what they need most. They just need to learn how to live within their means. Many people go to school for many years to learn how to make money, but they never take the time to learn how to manage money properly so it will last a lifetime. Be a part of that group that is financially educated and learn how to manage the fruits of your labor. Stop being ignorant about your money and watch this next video.